So my dear friends, as I have told you earlier that in my videos I will solve the problems of ML Agrawal book, that is your Understanding ICSE Mathematics 2020 edition. So today we will start the exercise 2 of your ML Agrawal book. Let me read out the first question. Mrs. Goswami deposits rupees 1000 every month in a recurring deposit account for 3 years at 8% per annum. Find the maturity value. This question comes in year 2009. So let's do this one. Number 1. So what you will write here? Here you have to write P is equal to money deposited per month is equal to rupees 1000. Then time t is equal to 3 years, but you have to find out it in terms of n. So n is equal to number of months. So you know that 1 year means 12 months. So 3 years means 3 into 12 months. You have to write like this, months. Then your R percentage means rate of interest. So rate of interest is equal to your how much percentage? That is your 8%. So you have to find out here maturity value. Before going to maturity value, I have to calculate interest. So interest formula is P into R by 100 into n bracket n plus 1 by 2 into 12. So now here I can write rupees 1000 into 8 by 100 into here 12, 3 into 12 is equal to 36. So here 36 bracket 36 plus 1 by 2 into 12. So now here we will have 1000 into 8 by 100 into 36 into 37 by 2 into 12. So now cancel it, 0 0 cancel, then 2 4 ja 8, 12 3 ja 36. So now you multiply 37 with 12, 37 with 12, 4 3 ja 12. So here 37 2 ja is equal to 74 into 37. See here 4, here it will be 14, 1 here. So 4 4 4 0. So interest will be 4440 for 4440. So what will be the maturity value now? Maturity value is equal to NP plus I. N means 36 per month deposit is 1000 plus rupees 4440. So here it will be 36,000 plus 4,440. So it will be 40,440 will be your final answer. So this is all about your question number 1. So let's go for the question number 2. So let me up this one, but some portion of it I will not see, like your money deposited per month. So let's, before going to question number 2, let me read out the question. Sonia had a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited 600 per month for 2.5 years. If the rate of interest is 10%, find the maturity value of this account. Means same type of question. So some portion of here I will not drop. See this portion, see these things will be common. So this formula will also be common. So I will not drop this one, but up to this I will drop. See, then here let me write here 2. Number 2 question. See, money deposited per month. Money deposited per month is how much? No, 600. 600. And year is, time is 2.5 years. 2.5 years means, you just remember, number of months will be equal to, here it will be 5 by 2 years. 5 by 2 years. So now 5 by 2 into 1 year, 12 months. So 12 months. So 2 6 12, so it will be 30 months. And your rate of interest, as per your question, rate of interest is 10%. So I have written all the necessary things. Now let's go for the question. See, now interest formula is I is equal to P into R by 100 into N bracket N plus 1 by 2 into 12. So now here 600 I have put it. Then R is equal to 10%, so 10 by 100, and N is equal to 30, and 30 plus 1, 2 into 12. So now rupees 600 into 10 by 100 into 30 into 31 by 2 into 12. See, 0 0 cancel, 6 2 ja 12, then 2, here 2, 5 ja 10, 2, 15 ja 30. So now multiply 7, 5 into 15 into 31. So let us multiply 5 into 15 into 31. 5, 15 ja 75, 75 into 31, let me write. So here 75 again, 75 3 ja, it will be 5, then 21, 22. So here 5, 7 5 12, 1 2 3 2 5. So here it will be 2 3 2 5. So now again, what will be the n here? Maturity value you have to calculate. So maturity value is equal to n is equal to how much? 30 months, and each month 600 rupees. I is equal to 2 3 2 5. So now go add this. So it will be 3 6 ja 18. So 18,000 plus rupees 2325. So here it will be equals to your 20,325. So this is all about your question number 1 and question number 2. Let's go for the question number 3. Question number 3 is also the same kind. Find the amount gets on maturity, but name is different and principal money deposited per month is different. See, what is your question number 3? Kiran deposited rupees 200 per month for 36 months in a bank's recurring deposit account. If the bank pays interest at a rate of 11 per annum, find the amount she gets on the maturity. Friend, I have already told you, I am solving the question from your understanding ICC Mathematics ML book. So you have to pay for that book. And while solving this problem, you keep this book with you so that it will help you. See, for question number 3 also, I can keep that things, but let me wrap all. So first, let us start from the beginning. See, what is your question? As per your question, your principal, or here we can say that money deposited per month, comma, P is equal to rupees your 200. And for the time T is equal to how many years? 36 months. So here time is given, T is equal to, here time is given in 36 months. So directly you write number of months, that is comma, n is equal to 36. Then rate of interest, comma, R is equal to your, how much percentage? 11%. So now what will be your interest? I is equal to, you know the formula, P into R by 100 into n plus 1 by 2 into 12. As I have told you, formula is important here, so I have to memorize this one. See, P is equal to rupees 200 into 11 by 100 into 36 bracket 36 plus 1 by 2 into 12. So P rupees 200 into 11 by 100 into 36 into 37 by 2 into 12. See, 0 0 cancel, 2 cancel, 12 3 yeah, 36. Now 36 cancelled. So here 11 into 3, 33 into 37. Let me multiply. 33 into 37. So here 33, 7 yeah, it will be 1, 2, 23, 2, 31. Then here it will be 99. So 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. So what will be the maturity value? Is equal to NP plus I. N is equal to your 36, P is equal to 200 plus here 1, 2, 2, 1. So it will be 36, 2 is 70, 200 plus 1, 2, 2, 1 is equal to rupees 8, 8, 4, 2, 1 will be your final answer. So this is all about your question number 1 to 3.